easily jump this mountain on our left side here.
Oh, message. 224.
Oh man, this is awesome. Here goes the ridge right underneath us.
Towards the Indian River, I don't see any landmarks. Is that a building or just a rock?
I don't know what that is.
On the top there?
Yeah, it looks like a building, but I don't know. Okay, that's cool. That ridge is close.
Hey, that's the Roche Biette, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what, yeah, you keep hitting little pockets of lift and sink here and there.
Those are the Victoria Cross Ranges.
126.7 traffic, Cessna 172, Foxtrot, November Foxtrot Delta is currently 8,500, just crossing over the Jasper airstrip now. We're following the highway down towards Valemount. Any conflicting traffic, November Foxtrot Delta, 8,500. Our GPS altitude saying 8,200 feet.
So yeah, that takes us to lower terrain. If we missed that first.
Yeah.
First one.
All off my left side, that's close.
Good, so that was head, and we're cutting both at 45. Good.
That's cool.
There's Robson up there.
What height is that peak? That is 9,000.
Right to our right here?
Yeah. 9,500 feet actually.
So we say this is going to be the cruise canyon turn. So yeah, you pitch up. We'll go 20 degrees of flaps the moment we get under close to under 115. And then we'll bank 60 degrees to get out of it.
Yeah.
And then we'll just ride the horn, try not to stall it, try not to spin it.
So pitch up, wait for 60.
Full power, pitch up, full power.
Okay. Here we go. Pitch up.
Full power.
Full power. Wait for 60. Drop it to 20. There we go.
Yeah, 60 degrees of back. Yeah, and let the nose down. There you go.
Oh, that was cool.
If you look down, you see that pretty much turn on a dime.
This is the way to travel the mountains. This is amazing. Oh, there's a bit of a glacier in the mountain there. You can see the blue.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Poking out.
There it is, Mount Robson.
Valemount traffic, Cessna 172, Foxtrot, November Foxtrot Delta is currently 8,500 descending. Full stop, any conflicting traffic, November Foxtrot Delta.